Math class, math for real estate investors, how to do shortcuts for real estate investors and business owners. Class 2. Let us know what you guys think in the comments, because if you want more of these, we can do more of these. But I don't want to be like convincing you guys that math is cool, you guys. Math is really fun, and it's really good to do. I have to do this stuff anyway, so I can just start recording and doing this in class, and we can just put these online. So, how to square any 2-digit number that ends in 5 or 0, which might not seem like a very interesting skill, but this is exactly what I was asked to do when I was taking my math placement test when I was in elementary school, and it's one of the reasons why I got placed so high, because I could take any speed limit sign. My uncle would always be like, what is that squared? And you have to know it really quick. And this is an easy way to do that. So make your thoughts stronger than your feelings. Very good. Very good. I appreciate these motivational things. You should be able to square any number 1 to 100. First of all, use our mathematics, our formula, print that out. You guys should all be doing that. Yes, everyone's doing that. But let's just do a shortcut here. So these numbers, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, any 2-digit number that ends in 0 or 5, that's 1/5, or about 20% of all the numbers 1 to 100. So here's a quick way of doing that. So look at one number at a time, and you can add these numbers up really quickly. So for example, what's 20 squared? Well, if it ends in a 0, all you have to do is look at that number to the left and just do 2 squared. What's 2 times 2? 4. And then just add the 0, 400. What's 30 squared? 3 times 3 is 9. Add the 2 zeros, 900. What's 40 squared? 4 times 4 is 16. Then add the 0, 1600. So what about the 35s? 35 is a little bit different. So here's what you do. You take 3, multiply it by the number above it. 3 times 4 is 12, and then add 25. 12, 25. What about 6? 6 times 7 is 42. 42, 25. Just add 25. So any 2-digit number that has a 5, right? Just the answer is going to be 25, the last 2 digits. The first 2 digits are going to be that number times the number above it, and then just add 25. So 25 squared is 2 times 3, 6, 625. Which one? 75 squared, 7 times 8 is 56, 25. So 5,625. 75 squared is 5,625. When will you use this? You'll use this to impress people. You use this on tests. You can also use this driving by speed limits. It's a great confidence builder. So that's a quick way of multiplying any number or squaring any number. You should know all the square numbers as it is, but this is a quick way of doing this. Take this number, and you can do 20s. If it ends in 0, that's easy. Just look at the number on the left. If it's a number that ends in 5, multiply it by the number above it, and then add 25. It's an easy way to square numbers. For more math tricks like this and get better at your math, go to bigria.com.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.